Morning students, today we will be going for chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Economics, where we will be learning few terminologies and few definitions given by certain professors. So first is what do you mean by economics? Can anyone answer? So it is very easy. Economics has been originally been derived from Greek word, that is oikos nomos. Oikos means household, nomos means management. That is basically household management. Now, when we go for certain terminologies, we will be learning what do you mean by unlimited wants, limited means, and definition of economics in a proper format. Economics is defined as social science that studies economic activities. As economics itself is a broader concept, it has to be studied in a proper manner. So, therefore, there were four professors who had given the definition of economics. First was wealth definition, second was welfare definition, third was scarcity definition, and fourth was growth definition. Today we will be studying two definitions, that is wealth definition and welfare definition. Wealth definition was given by Professor Adam Smith and second was given by Alfred Marshall. Going on with the next definitions, that is limited resources or limited funds or limited means. Now, what do you mean by limited resources? Now, with the word limited resources means the resources produced in an economy is very finite. Example, production of coal, oil, natural gas. So these two definitions which are major important, that is first is unlimited wants and second is limited resources. Based on these, economics has been defined in a very different manner, which says that it is defined as social studies, social science, which studies economic activities. Now, the first definition for today is wealth definition. The author of this definition was Professor Adam Smith, who was known as father of economics. Now, the name of his book was An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation. He defined economics as science of wealth, which means that economics studies only production and consumption of wealth. Now, if you see, there are followers who had given the similar definition like J.B. Say, J.S. Mill, Walker. When we go for features, there are three features, that is study of wealth, study of material goods only, economic man. Now, study of wealth. Economics studies the nature and the causes that increases the wealth. To increase wealth, that means there should be a proper production of material goods. The second feature suggests study of material goods only. Now, what do you mean by material goods and non-material goods? Material goods are the resources that are scarce in nature. Example, table, chair, pen, etc. Non-material goods are the services or water or sunshine, which are unlimited. Now, the term wealth has been used for material goods only and non-material goods have not been considered. The third and final is the economic man. What do you mean by economic man? The man who works for his own interest and does the activities for his self-interest is known as economic man. Now, in the below picture, there is a circle, that is wealth and human welfare. Now, wealth has been considered as the center of attraction, while human and welfare is at the periphery, that is the outer limits. Now, the next definition is welfare definition. Welfare definition was given by Professor Alfred Marshall in his book Principle of Economics. He defines economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines part of individual and social action which is mostly connected with the attainment and use of material requisites of well-being. The followers were Pigou, Cannon, William Beveridge, who has given similar definitions as well. Now, when we move towards the features, the first feature was study of mankind. Second is study of ordinary business of life, where we will be going for ordinary as well as extraordinary, and then we will be studying the study of material welfare. The first, study of mankind. Marshall, in his definition of economics, has shifted the emphasis from wealth to economic welfare. He has only studied the social and economic welfare of a man. That's his study of mankind. Now, when we go for study of ordinary business of life, where every person acts mainly to earn and collect wealth and spend those earning to get maximum satisfaction, example was chocolate. Now Marshall called this activity is in the ordinary business of life. That is ordinary business. Now extraordinary are the activities which are performed by sadhu or sants, which does not include the extraordinary activities in this definition. When we say study of material welfare only, now wealth is not considered as the fundamental motive behind economics. It only studies the material welfare. According to this, now human welfare was the center of attraction and material and goods were at the periphery. As per just a conclusion, we have done what do you mean by economics, terminologies of economics, unlimited wants, limited means, the definitions, wealth definition as well as welfare definition, features of wealth definition and welfare definition. If you have any doubts, do let me know. In my next lecture, we will be covering scarcity and growth given by the other two professors as well as the features of it. Thank you.